Hey traders, what's up? I hope you all had a nice weekend. So let me stop you here. I want you guys to take a moment and please hit a like button for me. I upload videos for you every single day. I upload analysis like this every single day. And as you have seen that we have been taking some nice badass trade on this YouTube channel. So if you're getting value out of my channel, if you have learned something, please do not forget to hit a like button for me. It really helps me the YouTube algorithm and helps me to grow this channel so that we can all trade efficiently and so that we can all trade together. So with that being said, I'm going to start my analysis today with natural gas, gold and crude oil. I just want to update you with the current situation of natural gas and all the other commodities I just talked about. So let's start with our natural gas. So let me show you what I've said in my previous video so that we can connect it from there. Up now I need to look for my second top right here. So now I need my second top, which is now in a process. Once we have that, I will look for a bearish confirmation with a pin bar 382 candle or a bearish engulfing candles. Okay, awesome. So now, as per my previous video, we still got a double top intact that has not been broken yet. Market is still rejecting this level, and with this bearish pressure, I expect market to push down a bit from this zone. So for extra confluence, let's wait for this candle to close, this 4-hour candle to close. If we have a close above this candle, then we have a chances that the market can push up from here. But looking at this condition, my entry would be here at this point. So my target would look something like this if I've entered the trade. But to be more sure, if you want to, less aggressive, you can wait for a next bearish candle or a pin bar from this zone. So just wanted to update you guys with natural gas. We are still not broken and closed above our first top, and we are still, the market is still rejecting this zone, showing us a bearish pressure. So if this current candle closes below here, then we can still have a likely chance that the market can push down to the target I've just shown. So right here on currency.com, same condition, market is still intact with our double top pattern. Looking at this bearish engulfer and this pin bar, my position would look something like this. ATR is 18, yeah, like this. So right here, looking at this engulfing candle at the double top pattern, and as you can see, the market is rejecting this first top, not breaking above the first top. So if you want to be more conservative for your entry, wait for the next bearish candle. Let this 4-hour candle close. If this 4-hour candle closes here below and we get a next red candle, then you can take your trade with using your ATR as your target. So right now the aggressive way to enter would be right here. But again, to be on safe side, if you want to wait for a next bearish confirmation, you can wait that certainly on 4-hour time frame. So right here, I know this candle is pushing up. Do not get caught up with this as the move like this. As you can see, we had a push up like this as well, and the market pushed down all the way here. So do not just caught up in FOMO. It's fear of missing out. Once you see a move like this, the people start just buying. Oh, we have a break now, and let's start buying from here. So I would say wait for this candle to fully close, this 4-hour candle to fully close. Whatever 4-hour is on your time frame, either at 10 p.m. at UK time or 11 at UK time on currency.com, let it close. I'm just telling you guys because the experience I'm telling you, you can see a fake out like this as well. It can be a fake out or it can still move up, shoots up like this. But I want you guys to be extra cautious once you take your entry. It's your hard earned money, of course. So right now, just wanted to update you guys as we are still in a bearish zone, not broke above this zone. Until we break above this zone, I'm not looking for a long trade. So right here on gold, okay, so now we are at the point of decision for gold. Gold is still bearish but also oversold right here. At this point, I expect a little pullback and we can expect a bearish candle, and once we get that, I will still go for short trades until and unless we have red candle and then we have a bigger green candle to take long trades between this zone. So not taking any short or long, but I will wait for a red candle. If you have a close below either on 1 hour or 4 hour and we have another close below, then if we have a close below that, then you can see we have a 4-hour zone. Between this zone is right here 1827. So if we close below, then we can expect market to hit at least 1827 from here, and below that we have a major zone. This is the 4-hour resistance and we have a daily resistance below that, which is a major resistance, but we need a break of this for our resistance to for the market to pull down to this zone, this green zone, which is 1875. So I will look for my buying trades. Either we have a push up from here with an engulfing candle, or once we hit 1827, I will look for my buying trades from here. So on crude oil, right here. So what trade we got, and as per my yesterday's video, I was right. Market did push down from this engulfing candle. Let me show you what I have said in my previous video. 108, we got this nice engulfing candle, and with that we got this nice pin bar. With that, I'm expecting a push down from crude oil. Expect a market to push down at least to 102.83. Okay, perfect. So with this engulfing candle, we did got a nice around $4 move down from here, but our target was right here, 102 something, and that has been hit easily. And now with this pattern, you can see if we have a push up to 107 again, then I will look for my selling trade as a double top pattern right from here. So just wait for the market to hit 107 to take your short trades. Right now it can hit 107 from here, and as you can see, market pushed up from this minor level of support that has been respected here, here, and here as a resistance and support. So that's why we got a push up from this level, and I'm expecting a push to 107. So that's all for now, guys. If you have any questions or confused, you can send me a message on Instagram, direct message on Instagram. I'll reply you ASAP. I hope you trade green rest of the week. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.